guys, I'm Lydia and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so today in Lid's kitchen, we're gonna make this bad boy right here. This is my Kentucky butter cake with a vanilla bourbon sauce on top. Alright, this thing is so amazing. It's so buttery and it's so good. This is literally, I can say, maybe my second or third time making this cake, and this recipe can never fail. I promise you it doesn't. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, okay? So you can make sure you stay tuned to anytime I post a new video. Hit that like button and let's get right into this video. Hey guys, so we're gonna get right into this Kentucky bourbon butter cake, okay? And then stay tuned for the end because we're gonna top it with this bourbon sauce that is amazing, okay? So first I have my sugar in my bowl already, so I'm gonna show it to you. I have 2 cups of sugar in here. Before I put it on my mixer, I'm gonna actually put my butter in also. So I just have 2 sticks of softened butter. Try to get it all in there. All right. So I have my sugar and butter in there. I have 3 cups of flour here. And I'm just gonna put all of my dry ingredients in there. So I'm gonna get my baking powder, my baking soda. Then we're gonna get some salt as well. I'm just gonna put all my dry in this bowl. I kind of like to measure everything out and get everything out the way first. So mix that up a little bit. Should have got a bigger bowl. So now that that's all mixed, I'm gonna set that aside. So I also have my eggs here. I have 4 eggs in this container, my vanilla extract and my milk. So we're just gonna start whipping and add our eggs in one at a time, okay? Start mixing this up on medium-low speed, guys. Okay, so now that's creamed together, all I'm gonna do is add in my eggs one at a time, and then I'm also gonna add in my vanilla when I add my eggs. So I usually do that at the same time so I don't cause myself over mixing my batter. So we're gonna get started and add that in. So now that I have that in, guys, we're just gonna add in our flour and our butter mixture as well. Woo! If I can get it all in there. So I'm just gonna add all my flour in at once. And then while this is mixing, I'm gonna slowly start adding my butter in at the same time, okay? So I have my bundt pan here. I don't know if you guys use this. I use the Baker's Joy spray release. It is expensive. I actually want to make my own. I seen a video on somebody making their own spray release, and I actually want to try that. So guys, if you want to see a video on how I make it and try along with me, because it won't be a tutorial, just leave a comment down below and I'll definitely make sure I get that video out. So I'm just going to spray this really good. into cracks, nooks, and crannies. And I got it just like that. Take this off. And then we're gonna transfer it right into here. So I'm actually gonna grab me a spoon. So we're gonna take this off. Going in. Guys, this is so good. Let me tell you, I have made this recipe a couple times before. It's taking everything from my mouth to eat this cake batter. Ah! It really is. So, got most of it off. Pour this right in here. I'm trying to get it evenly around, but if you don't pour it too evenly, you can always spread it back out with your spatula or your spoon, whatever one you choose to use. All right. And if you see me spreading, guys, I'm literally just patting and then moving it around, and it just moves itself. This batter is so good, guys. Oh my God, it is. This is gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees, okay? We're gonna leave this in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. Just make sure you check it at that 45-minute mark. My oven is a little bit hot, so my stuff is usually done maybe like 5-10 minutes before it is. But I am gonna get me an oven timer. But we're just gonna leave this in the oven. Make sure you insert a toothpick down, I would say at least 2 different places of your bundt pan. Once it comes out clean, you are good to go. So let's get this in the oven, guys. All right, guys, so our Kentucky butter cake is out. It's been cooling. I'm impatient, I'm gonna warn you. So this should flip right out, honestly. The way it's just, let's try it. But I did put it in the freezer for a little bit because I am very impatient. I'm gonna let you know right now. We didn't even want to do it like that. We're gonna be smart. Flip it over. Is it centered? Yep. Oh my God, that thing looks great. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, it looks so good. So I got a little toothpick, and I'm gonna just poke some holes all over my cake for this bourbon glaze that we're gonna put on it. And I just want the sauce to like drip in the cake too, you know, right? So I'm gonna just keep poking, keep poking. So I got enough holes everywhere I want them. Now for the bourbon sauce, guys, I did not film how I made it, but I am gonna tell you what I did. So all I did was take some sugar in the raw. If you don't have that and you want to use granulated sugar, you can go right for it. Ain't gonna hurt it at all. But I use sugar in the raw, and I prefer it just because of the flavor on it as well. And I put that, I put some butter, a little bit of vanilla extract, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of the liquor of your choice. Now this is a bourbon sauce, so you would put bourbon. Sometimes I do either bourbon or cognac, but that's just my personal choice. So we got our holes pricked in, and I'm gonna grab my pot. All right, guys, so here's my sauce. I don't know if you can see it, but it's still fizzy and bubbly a little bit, which is fine for me. And I'm gonna pour it right on top. This is gonna give it like that nice hard crackle shell too, guys. Once it sets and firms, and we're gonna use all of it. So I done already went around once. I'm going around again a second time. I'm gonna try to hit my edges. And now I'm gonna go on my inside. Look, I'm getting this everywhere. Okay, and this is our cake. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know what face that was, but guys, this smells amazing. All right. Y'all know I got a knife, right? I'm gonna just take that little piece right there that I cut. Can I cut the piece? Yeah, I'm gonna take me a little piece off the end. Ooh. That's good. Oh my God. That's so good. Am I snacking on camera? Did I do that? Anyway, guys, this cake right here is amazing. You definitely need to try it. When I say you definitely do, I mean like bump it. You do. All right, so make sure you give this recipe a try. Please make sure you like this video down below and subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this. And follow me on social media, guys. If you do make this cake, please tag me in it on Instagram at Lids Pastries. Okay, if you don't know already, I do have an Etsy shop as well where I do sell cakes and ship cake jars and brownie trays nationwide. And that's my side businesses as well. So, oh, that was a lot to say. I'm gonna eat this cake and I'll see you later, guys. Bye.